Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create rotate shakes with blur effect on Capcut. So here you just need to add your clip and then zoom the video in like this, and then after that go to the video effects, opening and closing, and then select the slanted blur. Okay, adjust the blur 100 and rotate 0. Click on a check icon and make the effect short like this. Okay, put it under the beginning of the video and copy the effect 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so one more time. Okay, like this, and then you'll have 7 times effect, and then copy it again but put it on the right side of the first effect. Okay, like this, and then adjust the blur for 50 and rotate 45. Click on a check icon and copy it again and put it under like this, and copy it again and put it on the right, so it will go like this. And then after that click on the third effect, adjust the blur 30 and rotate 80. Okay, click on the check icon and now copy it again and put it on the right. Now adjust the last effect, blur 15 and rotate 20. Okay, like this. Click on the check icon and add keyframe at the beginning of the clips. So click on the clip and then drag the clip to the right like this, and then add another keyframe on top after the first effect. So in here, oops, add keyframe in here and then drag the clip to the left. Okay, it will go like this, and go to the end of the clip first and add keyframe and zoom in the clip and rotate it like this. Okay, and after that put another keyframe after the second effect, so in here, and then slide up the clip a bit and then put another keyframe in here and then drag a bit to the left. Another keyframe and then drag the bottom to the bottom a bit, and go to the last keyframe and set the opacity of the clip into 0. Okay, and after that you are done. So here is the result for the rotate shakes. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Thank you.